SPKGEMSS School. Where learning meets innovation and the future begins with STEM. From robotics to electronics, from coding to creativity, our state-of-the-art STEM lab empowers young minds to explore, build and dream beyond textbooks. SPKGEMSS is the first school in Tamil Nadu to offer scholarships for science innovation students from class 4 to 11. This year, we proudly celebrate our Silver Jubilee, 25 years of shaping thinkers, leaders and innovators. And to mark this milestone, 1 year school fee is just Rs 40,000. Yes, only Rs 40,000 for a year of world-class education. Whether your child is a hosteler or day scholar, fees can be paid in 2 easy installments. Just real value for a brighter future. Because at SPKGEMSS, we believe every child deserves the power to invent, explore and lead. Admissions open for class 4 to 11. Call now or visit spkschools.com